In front of me is Blackview Tab 6, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check. Following that, enter your current login method to access it. And last but not least, to make your password visible, click on this eye icon right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!